Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue with Samsung refrigerators, the dreaded PC-ER error code. If you've got this error popping up on your fridge's display, don't panic. We're here to break it down step by step. First off, let's understand what this code means. The PC-ER error typically indicates a problem with the power or communication between the refrigerator's main board and other components, like the evaporator fan or defrost system. It's often related to electrical issues, so catching it early can save you from bigger headaches. Now, what causes this error? There are a few common culprits. It could be a simple power fluctuation or surge that interrupted the fridge's normal operation. Other times, it's due to a faulty sensor, a loose wire connection, or even a buildup of frost blocking the vents. In 2025 models, we've seen this linked to software glitches from recent updates, so keeping your fridge's firmware current is key. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start with the easiest fix. Unplug your refrigerator from the wall for about 5 minutes. This performs a hard reset, which clears temporary errors. Plug it back in and see if the code disappears. If that doesn't work, check for any visible issues like blocked vents or dirty coils. Clean them out with a soft brush or vacuum. Next, inspect the connections behind the fridge. Make sure all wires are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a wiggle during moving can cause this. If you're still seeing the error, it's time for some deeper troubleshooting. Access the diagnostic mode on your Samsung fridge. Hold the power freeze and power cool buttons for about 8 seconds. This might display more detailed codes to pinpoint the problem. For 2025 models, you can use the Samsung SmartThings app to run a diagnostic scan remotely. If none of this helps, it might be a defective part like the main control board, and that's when you should call a professional technician. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never attempt repairs if you're unsure. By following these steps, you could fix the PC-ER error yourself and get your fridge back to chilling in no time. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.